money moves to make before the year ends. The last months of the year are either the biggest opportunity or the biggest trap. Most people waste them on random hustles and end up starting the next year exactly where they are now. But if you are serious about growing your income, here are 3 money moves you need to make before the year ends. Hi, I'm Anna Zakkery, and since 2018, I've been helping online coaches to scale the revenues of their online courses. I help to grow from 10K launches to 100K launches and higher by creating a predictable autopilot sales system. For that, we create evergreen webinars and different types of sales funnels which print money while you sleep. This is the only system I truly believe in, and I do not support the idea of a content hustle world, which is a true hamster wheel, which only make you exhausted by demanding more and more content and being all the time impacted and under threat of algorithm change. So in this video, I'm gonna explain what are the 3 moves you can take in order to shift to the next level of revenue with your online course. There is a middle-class mindset which says, work more hours, make more money. But that one only caps your income and burns you out. If you are still selling one-on-one sessions or doing endless coaching calls, you are stuck in the wrong equation. The wealthy do not sell hours, they build assets that require more attention, strategy. Sometimes it doesn't look so productive because you can be stuck at one step for quite a long time, but at the end of the day, you finish with evergreen strategy, which can be scalable and can work without your involvement. Your knowledge is super valuable, but if it's only inside your head, it's not scalable. The smartest move you can make now is to package your expertise into a course or a program that sells without you being live every time. Not content for the algorithm, a real product that can grow month after month. This is where you shift from hustling to building something that pays you even while you are on vacation. Especially Christmas vacation, you will be able to have the sales even at that time, only if you do that first move. A course is not enough. You need a system that sells it, and then content alone is not predictable. DMs dry out, live launches are stressful. The most reliable system right now is an evergreen webinar, the funnel which is powered by ads. That's how you grow from a one-time 10K launch to a consistent 50K, 100K a month. And this is not too far away. That might seem like it's, oh my gosh, this is so far from my point A. No, it seems to be far, but only unless you build a system. So if you do just these 3 things before the year ends, stop selling your time, package your expertise into a scalable product, build the system that sells it on autopilot. This how you make sure next year is not a repeat for this one. To help you out with that, I put together a free scaling playbook that's absolutely free. You do not need to pay for that. That shows you the exact 5 steps to grow your course from a 10K launch to a 100K launch and even more. All what you need to do, just click the link below and you will get a copy of this playbook, which already helped thousands of students who used it and then implemented every step I described inside the book. It starts with a questionnaire which allows you to understand the real situation in the project. It involves a lot of AI tools which makes the process super easy and fast. You will use my prompts for ChatGPT and those make it simple just like that. And then that will show you the way to the predictable autopilot sales. Grab it and then I hope you will enjoy it. Don't forget to share your feedback once you open and use it. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.